today we are going to solve worksheet 1.5 of chapter 1. My name is Ashok Kumar Kumawat and we are at BPS Shikshan Sansthan. Let's get started. So in chapter 1 there is one topic left. We solve that topic first, then we will do these questions. The topic is finding rational numbers between two numbers. Suppose करो कि हमें 7 और 10 के बीच में नंबर्स फाइंड आउट करने हैं. Then there are two integers between 7 and 10, right? So it is very easy. We can find out the integers between two numbers, right? Now the topic is finding rational numbers between two numbers. So if I say find 5 rational numbers, find 5 rational numbers between 7 and 8, then what we need to do, that is our today's topic, right? So here we have, there are many methods to find out rational numbers between these two, but we will do the simplest one, right? So first we write smaller value first, then bigger value, and we put this sign. Now next step क्या करते हैं हम, we put 1 1. If there is a rational number, if we need to find 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, if our numbers are 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, then we need not to put 1 or 1. It is already a rational number, it is already a fraction, so or else we can say it is already in p by q form. It is now in p by q form and it is now in p by q form, right? So first we put smaller value first, then greater, and then we put 1 and 1 if there is not p by q form, right? चलिए, then अब हमें क्या करना है, इन दोनों के बीच की एक वैल्यू निकालनी है. A rational number between these two numbers. So what we will do, we will simply do 7 upon 1. Sorry, we have put the sign wrong. The sign is like this. So now 7 and 8. What is 7 and 8? 7 plus 8. We add these two numerators, and in denominator we add denominator 1 plus 1. 8 upon 1. It is the first value between 7 and 8. So it becomes 7 upon 1 smaller than, now we have 15 upon 2, then 8 upon 1, right? We need to find out 5 rational numbers. We need to find out 5 rational numbers. It is only 1. Now we will find out one rational number between these two and one rational number between these two, right? So what can we do? We simply add these numbers. We put 7 plus 15 upon 1 plus 2. Then it is the mid value, 15 upon 2. Then now we need to find out a rational number between these two. So we add 7 plus 15 plus 8 upon 2 plus 1 and 8 upon 1. Now we have find out 1, 2, 3. 3 values we have find out. 7 upon 1. Now it is 22 upon 3. 15 upon 2. It becomes 23 upon 3 and 8 upon 1. Now we get 3 rational numbers between 7 and 8. We need to find out two more values. So our numbers are 7 by 1, 22 by 3. Let's put this sign. Then we put 15 upon 2, 23 upon 3, 8 upon 1. Now you can find out two values anywhere you want. You can find out here, you can find out here, you can find out here, or also you can find out here. So I will do the number between these and this. So what do we have? 7 upon 1, 7 plus 22 is 29 upon 1 plus 3, 4. Then 22 upon 3, then 15 upon 2, then 23 upon 3. Now between these two we need to find out a value. So 23 plus 8 is 31 upon 4 equals upon 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 5 values between 7 and 8. Simply you need to follow this method and easily you can find out the rational numbers between 7 and 8. Let's take one more example. 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So in 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, which is the greater value? The greater value is 3 by 4. So we put it like this. Now 1 by 2, 1 plus 3 is 4 and 2 plus 4 is 6. 3 by 4. We can simply simplify this rational number. So it becomes 2 by 3 and it is 3 by 4. Now we can find out two values, one here and one here. It is 1 by 2. Then it is 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2, 3. And 2 plus 3, 5. Then this value here. And we can find out one value here. So it is 5 upon 7. 3 by 4. Now we have three values. We need to find out two more values because we need to find out 5 values between 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 I can find out here, here, here and here. These are the 5 things, 5 places where I can find rational numbers. So if I need to find out here, then we have 3 plus 1, 4, 5 plus 2, 7, 3 by 5, 2 by 3, 5 by 7. And if I find a value, if I want to find a value here, then what I need to do? 5 plus 3, 8, 7 plus 4, 11. This is how we can find out any number of rational numbers between these two rational numbers. यानी हम दो रैशनल नंबर्स के बीच में जितने चाहे उतने रैशनल नंबर्स फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं, राइट? So now we are going to take some examples and the topic will be more clear to you. Our example is find 9 rational numbers. It is 9. It is 9. Find 9 rational numbers between 7 by 8 and 8 by 9. 7 by 8 and 8 by 9. First thing first, you need to find out which is the greater value. So greater value is 7 9 63 and 8 8 64. So 8 by 9 is greater value. So we put 7 by 8 is smaller than 8 by 9. In first step we will find out a value between these two. We will find a value here. So 7 by 8 7 plus 8. What is 7 plus 8? Is 15. 8 plus 9 is 17. 8 by 9. It is the first value. Now one value we can find out here and one value we can find out here. So let's do it. 7 upon 8. Now we need to find out a value here. 15 plus 7 is 22. 17 plus 8 is 25. 15 upon 17. Now the value here is 15 plus 8 is 23. 17 plus 9. 17 plus 9 is 26. Right? And 8 upon 9. Now I can find out 3 more values. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values I can find out between at these places, right? So what we'll simply need to do, 7 upon 8, 22 plus 7 is 29, 8 plus 25 is 33. Now one value here, so first we need to write this value, 22 upon 25. Now one value here is 22 plus 15. So 22 plus 15 is 22 plus 10, 32, 32 plus 5, 37. Then 25 plus 10, 35, 35 plus 7, 42. So this value belongs here. Now next value 15 upon 17. Next value is between these two things, two values, 15 plus 23. So 15 plus 23. 23 plus 10 is 33. 33 plus 5 is 37. And 26 plus 10, 36. 36 plus 7 is 43. Right? Okay. It is 37. So 15 upon, we have written something wrong here. Let's correct it up. This value is between these two, so it is right, and 22 by 25 is right. Then value here is 7, 3. This, it is okay. It is also right, and then 15 upon 7. Now it is 38, right? 38. And now our value is 17 plus 26. तो 17 plus 26 हम करेंगे तो it is 36. 36 plus 17 is 43. Then we need to write 23 by 26 and now a value here. So this value is 23 plus 8. 23 plus 8 is 31 and 26 plus 9 is 35 and 8 upon 9. Now we have find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can find out two more values anywhere here, here. You need to find out only two values now. We have find out 7 values, right? So that is up to you. Calculate these things and find two numbers extra. So I have find out 7. You will find out 2. Next question is, Find 5 rational numbers between 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. 1 upon 6, 1 upon 5. Which is the greater value? Greater value is 1 upon 5. Right? Now we need to find out 5 rational numbers. So 1 by 6, then 1 plus 1, 2, 6 plus 5, 11. This is the first value, 1 by 5. Then 1 by 6, we can find out one value here and one value here. So 2 plus 1, 3, 6 plus 11, 17. 2 by 11. Now next value is here. So 2 plus 1, 3, 11 plus 5, 16. 1 upon 5. We have 3 values, we need to find out 2 more values. So 1 upon 6 I will find here and here. 3 upon 17. Now 2 plus 3, 5. 17 plus 11 is 28. Then 2 by 11. Now the one value here is 2 plus 3, 5, and 11 plus 16 is 27, and 1 upon 5. Sorry, 1 upon 5. 3 upon 16 and 1 upon 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 values between 1 upon 6 and 1 upon 5. So this is our method to find out rational numbers between two rational numbers. We can find out any amount of rational numbers. Now can you solve this question? All you need to do is 2 by 8 is smaller value and 3 is greater. Right? So we put this sign here and we put 1 here. Now what you need to do? You need to 2 by 8, 5 upon 9, 3 by 1. Now you can find out values here, then more values you can find out. Write the rational number which is its own additive inverse. Additive inverse क्या होते हैं? Additive inverse is the rational number by adding which we get answer 0. 1 में क्या ऐड करेंगे कि आंसर 0 हो जाए? तो 1 में हम ऐड करेंगे -1, आंसर इज 0. What can we add in 1 by 2 so that we get answer 0? So value is 1 minus 1 by 2. So which is the number? कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जो खुद का ही एडिटिव इनवर्स है? सो 0 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि ये 0 ही रहे? तो 0 में हम ऐड करेंगे 0, आंसर इज 0. सो 0 इज इट्स ऑन एडिटिव इनवर्स. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर है 0. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है द नंबर विच इज its own multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is the value of a rational number which by multiplying by which we get answer 1. 1 by 2 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि आंसर 1 हो जाए? तो we multiply it 2 by 1. Answer is 2 cancel 1. -5 by 6 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे सो दैट वी गेट द आंसर 1. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई इट 6 by -5. कैंसिल ओके 1 आंसर मिलेगा. सो 1 को हम किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कि आंसर 1 हो जाए? तो 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाई 1, आंसर इज 1. सो 1 इज इट्स ऑन मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. 1 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 1 होता है. 0 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स 0 का एडिटिव इनवर्स 0 होता है. सो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज 1 इज its own multiplicative inverse. Alright, the rational number which does not have a reciprocal. What is reciprocal? 5/6 का रेसिप्रोकल होता है 6/5, 1/2 का रेसिप्रोकल होता है 2/1, या फिर और अदरवाइज वी कैन राइट इट 2. So which number does not have a reciprocal? Answer is 0 or 0. Does not have a reciprocal. Why? It is 0, right? And we can write it 0.1, right? इसको अगर हम रेसिप्रोकेट करेंगे तो इट बिकम्स 0.1. एंड अगर अपॉन में 0 आ जाता है बच्चों, when we get denominator as 0, then it is undefined. किसी भी वैल्यू के अपॉन में 0 आ जाता है तो that value becomes undefined, और अनडिफाइंड वैल्यूज को हम मैथ्स में सॉल्व नहीं करते, राइट? इसलिए दैट्स व्हाई वी से दैट 0 डज नॉट हैव अ रेसिप्रोकल. 0 का कोई रेसिप्रोकल नहीं होता. इसको या तो हम बोलते हैं अनडिफाइंड या फिर इसको बोलते हैं इनफाइनाइट. इनफाइनाइट कितनी बड़ी वैल्यू है ये हमें नहीं पता, राइट? नाउ वी डू सम मोर क्वेश्चंस रिलेटेड टू वर्कशीट 1.5. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज मल्टीप्लाई करना है हमें 27/5 मल्टीप्लाई 125/81. फर्स्ट you need to see whether we can simplify this question or not. So we can see that 5 divided by 5, these two numbers can be simplified by 5. So 5 divided by 5 1, or it becomes 25, right? Now we get 27/1 into 25/81. Alright, so 27 divided by 27 1, or 27 divided by 81 equals to 3. So answer is 1/1 1, 25/3 is our answer. Next question is minus 8/11 multiply 33/32. Now we can simplify. Minus cancels minus. 11 divided by 33. 11 divided into 33 gives us 3. 8 divided into 32 4. It is 1 1. So answer is 3/4. This is how we can simplify some questions. Now we need to find out multiplicative inverse. So multiplicative inverse of 16/13 is 13/16 of minus. You can put the minus here, here or here, right? 2/9 का multiplicative inverse होगा 9/2, and minus 1/8 का multiplicative inverse होगा 8/-1. So in multiplicative inverse we simply invert the number. So inverted it becomes 13/16. Inverted it becomes 9/2. Now divide. You know the basic thing about divide, या division. Divided by minus 4/65. First we need to remove the division sign. So we convert this, we change this sign into multiply, and upon multiply we do the reciprocal of the next rational number. So it is 65/-4. माइनस से माइनस कैंसिल हो जाता है, 13 का डिवाइड करेंगे तो 5 टाइम जाता है. सो इट इज 3/1 into 5/4, right? So it is 15/4. This is how we can simply divide the two rational numbers. Now simplify There are two more questions of simplification. First is 8 upon 29. 32 upon 39 is divided by 16 upon 13. By Bodmas rule, first we need to solve the bracket, and in bracket we have a division sign. So first we will convert this sign into multiply. So multiply is 13 upon 16. 13 को डिवाइड करेंगे, सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे तो 3 टाइम होगा, 16 को डिवाइड करेंगे तो ये -2 टाइम होगा, राइट। 8 upon 29, it is 1, -2 into 1 1, 3 into 1 3. All right, so now this division will be converted into multiply, and upon multiplication it becomes 2 upon 29 multiply 3 upon -2. So -2 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 से तो -1 आएगा, and we get 4 here. 4 multiply 3 12, and 29 minus 1, 29 multiply -1 is -29. It is our answer. Last question of this class is 3/4. It is negative value. Into 8 upon 15 minus 2 upon 5 into -5 upon 8, then bracket minus 3 upon 8 into -2 upon 9. All right, so there are 3 brackets. First we need to simplify the brackets. So we can solve 4 को डिवाइड करेंगे 2 आएगा, यहाँ पे 1 आएगा। 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 डिवाइड करेंगे 3 से तो -1, 3 को डिवाइड करेंगे 15 में तो 5, 2 मल्टीप्लाई -1 -2, 5 into 1 5, minus 2 divided into 8 4, 5 1 -1 1. So 1 multiply -1 upon 4 minus -3 को डिवाइड करेंगे 3 से तो -1 आएगा, और 3 को डिवाइड करेंगे 3 से तो 3 आएगा, 9 से करेंगे तो 3 आएगा, -2 -1 हो जाएगा और 4 हो जाएगा। ये हम क्या करते हैं, हम सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं बाय डिवाइडिंग बाय द सेम नंबर, राइट। तो सिंप्लीफिकेशन से हमारी कैलकुलेशन थोड़ी सी इजी हो जाती है। तो माइनस माइनस प्लस 1 upon 12, this is what we get upon simplification. So now we simplify the signs here, minus minus plus 1 upon 4 minus 1 upon 12. Now LCM of 5 4 12 is 60. 5 divided into 60 is 12. 12 multiplied by 2 24, plus 4 divided into 60 is 15. 15 multiplied 1 15. 12 divided into 60 is 5 minus 5. So what we get here? We get minus 24 plus 10 upon 60. Then minus 24 plus 10, it becomes minus 14 upon 60. We can simplify minus 7 upon 30. This is our answer. So in simplification you need to keep it in mind that first we solve the bracket, and in bracket we keep very sharp eye on sign, negative sign. 2 negative multiplied becomes positive, 2 positive remains positive, 1 positive 1 negative becomes negative. So this is how we get the answer. There are more questions in worksheet 1.5 which you need to do which you need to solve as your homework. So this is all about today's class. Thank you.